Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this course, we are going to learn how to make a professional Shopify online store like this premium design. You see? And in the previous class, we have done so far shop categories. We have added shop collections and add this chart. Here is our store that we are making or developing using horizon feed theme and using custom code, and of course you will get all the ready code snippet in this theme, and finally I will share this theme with you. And we have added the header top section. Let me open light shot, then you can understand better way. We have done this one, of course we have to work in here, but for now it's okay. Then added this section, then scroll down, we have added the shop categories same as demo or reference. And today we are going to add art product, and this is our ultimate destination of this class. And thank you so much for your interest and hard working that you are still now watching the full video class of this course and practicing by yourself and trying to implement everything to get the ultimate final result like this one. Okay, so as we add this section on our Shopify online store, first of all we have to know what we have to do and what we are watching in here. So in the art product, this is basically in general on the DOM theme featured collection or in horizon theme. And here you can see that there are total 8 product with 4 column in 2 row. This is the 1 row, and this is, and here is the another row, 2 row and 4 column. And in here you can see that there is a product image by default, product title, star rating, add to cart, and product pricing. So when we hover, we found wish list and quick view. So if I click on the quick view, wow, it's appear very nicely. So this is very advanced and professional chart or advanced chart of any Shopify online store. Of course it has benefit for any Shopify online store or any business who built their website using Shopify. Okay, first we are going to try setup using ready section. So go back my Shopify admin panel, then we are going to click on the customize. You must have to press Ctrl, then press on here from your keyboard if you are Windows user, or if you are a Mac user then you have to press command. And the good news is that I have finally purchased a new MacBook just for coding, e-commerce business development. So here is the customization section. Then we are going to add a new section. Just click on here, or you can click on here, add section, then simply go to the product section, product highlight, product list, product list grid. We are going to use this one, and I have already uploaded all the product in the Shopify online store, because this is one kind of data entry or product listing work, and it will take too much time for my audience or for my student. That's why I skip this part, how to listing or add product. So I have added the product, and now going to select the product in product list. So click on the select, and you can see if I select home, then I will find all the product in here. And then you can see type grid, carousel on mobile. We are going to skip carousel on mobile for now. Also you can change the product count. If you want to show 6 or 5, we can show 6. We can change the column. You see, this looks good. Make it 8. We can change the mobile column 1 or 2, horizontal gap vertical gap, everything is changeable from here without any coding. And we can make it full width, and then alignment center. Okay, so it's okay so far. So we're going to try as close as possible using default pchart of horizon theme. So first we are going to change the title art product. So change the title from here, art product, perfect. Then change title position, center, it does not work. Layout center does not work. Collection title, okay, we are going to skip this one. Just keep the text, then follow up the reference website. First image, we get image, then title, we get title, then price and star rating. We are missing the star rating, so let me find out, is it possible to add by default star rating in here or star icon. Click on here, media, product card, in the group, title, price, swatch, and click on here, add block, review star. Review star, display review from parent product, and app is required for product rating. That's mean we need a app to display the review star. Click on here, save, and try to learn more. App for your Shopify store. You can install app to help you build your business, integrate with external service, and add pchart to your Shopify admin. You can find app on the Shopify app store. So in general, as I know, I am working as a Shopify developer, we have to add a review plugin or app on our Shopify admin panel, then add or import review manually or automatically, then the review start will work. So right now what we'll get in default or by default, so let's check our store, reload. We have to wait a little bit time, scroll down, we added art product, but it's required to move on center. We get product, we get title and price, missing the star rating. For that we need app, and we see the second image appear in here instantly without smooth animation. If you look in here, you see it's display second image on hover with a smooth animation effect. Okay, so we have to add app, add smooth animation on hover, also the most important things, and add favorite icon. So this is very important. Also show the sell 45% off, I means the discount or any sell price display on here. For that, of course, we have to do custom code, but if I start doing custom code for to make a section like this one, then this tutorial will be too much long. So I want to first make a solution, then I just share the ready code snippet with details or explanation of this code that will be easy for you to implement and make a Shopify online store like this section or like the reference website. So I think it's okay so far, and you can set up a art product section like demo. You see, here we have slide option. This is another good advantage. Also we have quick add to cart button, but it's not totally same as reference, so we want to make as same as possible. So it's also professional, but our destination make exactly like reference. So thank you so much for your time to complete this class, and in the next class we will implement custom code and add app for review, star review display, and we'll learn how to work the code in the backend. We can do another things in here, that is we can implement the code in current horizon theme section, like we use, let me show you. Right now we use a section in here, product list grid. We can start working or implement code in here, but we have to find or make a solution that will not affect on your store design if any new update shared by Shopify horizon themes. That's why I have to make a solid solution for that. So thank you so much for your time to continue this course and complete this class and stay connected so far. So I hope you enjoyed this class and learned something new, and in the next class we will learn more deeply about this section. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.